Hello guys, welcome to another video of my car madness. In today's video we're going to be installing the switch. Stay tuned. Hello guys, I wanted to share something with you guys. I've got a Saab 9.3 and I went to a scrapyard a couple of years ago and I saw this little switch on a Saab, and I always knew there was wires here at the bottom, never knew what it was for. And after almost 3 years I managed to get around to plugging that in, and it actually works. So if you pick one of these up from a scrapyard, there's a part number there. If you guys will be able to pause it and the camera will focus, it's 12787 and this is for a right hand drive. This little tab here, and obviously the camera would not focus, is on the other side for left hand drive. There is a wire just like this one on the other side, so you guys can actually fit it on a left hand drive if your car doesn't have one. And here is a little bit that you can cut out to fit the switch. So I'm about to attempt to try to do this. As you can see, hopefully I don't ruin my door card. I do apologize about the door card being dirty, but I'll try crack on and see how I get on with this. Right, guys, I couldn't record at the same time. What I've done is in these little corners I used a drill, a really small drill bit, to make little cuts, and use a Stanley knife, or like people like to call it, a box cutter, and I just want to run and cut it. On the other side doesn't look too pretty. I'm hoping the switch will cover that, and I'll try to fit the switch now and I'll carry on recording. There we go, it's fitted. I'm happy that covered the little mess that I made, and fixed fine. I've got this little drilling or trimming bit of a Dremel, which I don't own a Dremel, but I've got the kit from Lidl. I used that to go around the edges to smooth it up a little bit because I was struggling to put the switch in, and that's a little cut out. Now, as you can see, I kind of butchered it. I tried to get it out, to cut that, because I didn't have a sharp enough Stanley knife, so I had to improvise. But I'm happy how that turned up. I've got to the little repair on the back here. I snapped that off, and this one is cracked, so I'm going to try to glue that before I put it back on, and I will show you guys at the end of the video that the boot switch works. Thank you. So guys, if you listen really carefully, you will hear the boot open. There you go, that's how you know it works. And just covered the light there. It's got that little green glow like on the door locks, and unfortunately the window one doesn't work anymore. So yeah, that wraps it up.